Welcome to 308 Southampton Drive. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a bonus room and fenced backyard is located in the Southgate subdivision in Irmo. Convenient to I-26, great dining and shopping in Harbison, Lake Murray, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So as you can see, we are out front. Home sits on a nice sized lot, nice deep front yard, and you have a 1-car wide driveway. Leading up to the home, you can see those French doors and double doors with the glass lead to that bonus area. What used to be a finished garage, most likely, or excuse me, just a garage. That space has been finished on the inside now, so you have nice glass inlay on the front door. And as we step inside into the main living space, you can see you have a nicely updated luxury vinyl plank flooring that is throughout a good bit of the property. So you can see you have an open floor plan, main living area, the living room, off the entry and the kitchen, all open to one another. So you have beautiful updates inside, including the nice modern fixtures, the ceiling fans, and some nice sort of hurricane lamp pendant style lights over the island, which has a bar. You also have granite countertops in here, updated shaker style shaker style cabinets, white with black hardware. Nice shiplap against the back of the island, and also a black stainless French door refrigerator with the bottom drawer freezer, as well as a dishwasher. On this side, smooth top electric range and above range microwave over there in stainless steel. And you have a nice sort of herringbone pattern tile backsplash back here, if you can see as well, which is really nice. And also nice farmhouse style sink on this side as well. So beautifully updated, and you can see also the nice chandelier style lighting fixture as you come in. You have some recessed lighting here in the corner nook dining area. Nice window looking out towards the backyard, and some built-in shelving as well. And of course the nice fireplace, wood burning, black mantle above, painted nicely in white. So off the back of the space, you have access to the backyard, which is fenced. You have a large shed and workshop space back there. I believe that is, or does have some powered outlets in there as well, so you may be able to do hook some actual tools and stuff in there, but at the very least, it is storage space. And then while we're on this side, we'll go ahead and take a look at the extra spaces off of the living area. So you have a laundry closet that passes through, or a laundry room, full-size washer dryer connections, and some shelving above. And then access via the steps here to the bonus space. So you have the French doors again out to the front, and you can see the view back this way. Updated ceiling fan in here as well, and you do have a small full bathroom in here with a stall shower, wall mount sink, and the commode there behind the wall. And then on the opposite side of the main living space, you have 3 bedrooms. First being the primary suite at the sort of back left of the home, faces the backyard. But you can see you have barn style doors open to the bathroom, and then also a walk-in closet here. Then in the bathroom, beautifully updated vanity and mirror, and also fixtures. And then on this side, you have a nice shower, walk-in shower with a built-in shelf. Some nice sort of gold style or brass fixtures there. And then On the way to the secondary bedrooms across the hall, we just have some extra storage space. The linen closet on the left, and then a coat closet on the right. And then you have your second bedroom, also with the ceiling fan and closet behind the bifold doors. This one and these two bedrooms face the front of the home. Then you have your your third bedroom here, also front facing, the ceiling fan and the same closet. And then last but not least, we have our third full bathroom. This is sort of the secondary bathroom of the home. And you can see you have a nice updated vanity in here with a solid surface countertop and shower and tub with an updated enclosure. Some nice lighting in there as well. And there also is an attic pull down here. There may be some storage possibly up there in the hallway as well, so to keep that in mind. So that completes our tour of this home at 308 Southampton Drive in Irmo in Columbia. Near Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.